Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I'm sure like in your family, we've got everybody over this weekend. All the kids are in, the grandkids are in, so we're enjoying our times, and hope that's happening for you at your home as well. Or if you're traveling, back home, as they say, everything's good. So just wanted to just check in with you real quick. Say, December's on us, and and we're not done yet. We have about 11 different events that are still on the calendar for the month. We have one going on right now, the Sail Away Cruise. About 24 of our folks are on a cruise ship. John Schneider put that together, and I think a bunch of Z folks in with that as well. But a lot of folks having a good time. Wish I was there. Well, now, wow, what some awesome weather to have. On the 3rd, coming up on the 3rd at 6:30 up in St. Pete, Clearwater, Jeff's put together an alternative meal plan. So they're going to go to Ho Long Bay, which is in St. Pete. That's some Vietnamese. It's a Vietnamese restaurant, really good Vietnamese restaurant. So branching out, doing some different things, and we're going to be repainting some opportunities up in the Tampa Bay area as we come up on the year 2025. So stay tuned for some of that planning. Next weekend is Sebring. So if you haven't signed up yet, get on. This is like the 10th or 12th year that we're going. I need your RSVP this week. I need it by Wednesday. And then you also need to just go online. We put the link there. Go online. It's $30. Hasn't changed. In fact, I think it's $5 cheaper this year. So go on, and we'll be in turn 15, 16. We're cooking for everybody. Doesn't cost you anything for a meal. We'll do that, and then do the track drive on as well. So if you haven't signed up for Sebring, get on the boat. The clock's ticking, as they say. On the 7th, we have a ton of things going on. The Porsche Club is doing the Golisano parade to the Children's Hospital next Saturday as well. There's a car show and tropical parade at Coconut Point. That's down in between Fort Myers and Naples. On the 8th, Gainesville Cars and Coffee. On the 8th also is the Festival of Speed at the Mercato in Naples. No Germain BMW Cars and Coffee in the month of December. They'll yield to the Festival of Speed at the Mercato. On the 14th, we have Caffeine and Octane up in Jacksonville. That's Kebble's and Al's big event up there every month. And then on the 14th as well, Southwood Cars and Coffee. That's over in Tallahassee. So a lot of things happening there. When we get up to the 21st, Fort Myers Cars and Coffee be the last one for this calendar year. And then on the 22nd, it's the holiday dinner up in Panama City, Chris and those folks. So as I said, a lot of things still happening in the month of December. And so pick one wherever you are in the States. You've got options now, and options to more than one event. So I'll just take this time to say we're so proud of our BMW family of friends, and for those folks that are here and those folks that are not with us any longer. We still have a lot to be thankful for. Thankful for friends and friendships that will last us in eternity. Until we're not here, those friendships still go on. What an amazing group of people that we get a chance to work with each year, and work with on the events that come up throughout the year. I think this year we're going to post 203, 204 events for the chapter. So it's just going to be another one of those banner years for events that we've put together. So thank you to everybody. Hoping that you have just a great, peaceful Thanksgiving weekend. And as we go into the next set of holidays, we'll talk a little bit more. A lot to do. Can't wait to see you. And until then, happy motoring, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. See ya.